This late September warmth, it's not over yet. However, some relief is on the way, and that comes with a weak cold front. So let's take a quick look at your most reliable forecast. We'll start things off with our weather headlines for this Wednesday, September the 24th. A dry cold front is on the way, really impacting us Thursday. Stronger winds, but we don't see the dip in temperatures until Friday. With those stronger winds, fire danger concerns will be elevated, and best chance of rain holds off until late Sunday going into next week. So even with this weak cold front, we're not expecting any precipitation today. Highs were in the 80s with some 90s on the map. This is well above average, but nowhere, not quite near record highs. No records were broken or set today. Now, when we go ahead and look outside, there's not a cloud in the sky. However, we do see some haze, but with cloudless conditions, there's no rain to be seen either, all the way across the whole Pacific Northwest. Now, our forecast model does show a couple different things. First, this one specifically helps us pick out where the ridges of high pressure are and where our cold fronts are. And what we're expecting is through Thursday, the next cold front is approaching. The latest high pushes off to the east. Our warm temperatures follow, and we get a dip in temperatures by Friday. That's when we're talking about 70s and a few 80s. And then our next ridge of high pressure starts to build into the region, hence the clearing. And then by Saturday, temperatures rebound. We're still looking at 80s for the weekend and some 70s, but it's going to be dry with no rain in sight expected through Friday and through this weekend. So for tonight, temperatures will be in the 40s and 50s with a few 30s and very little in the way of cloud cover. Now, by the next 7 days, we do have our dip in temperatures Friday. We start to rebound Saturday and Sunday back into the lower to mid 80s, and then it gets wetter, cooler, and breezy for most of the high desert. That's the latest in weather. Join us tonight on Central Oregon Daily News for the latest headlines and your most reliable forecast.